appeals were brought against the process, and we sat down in an appeals committee, and we attended to all appeals that came from the consensus process. We have started, we're almost 80% through now of our primary elections. Our primary elections will be conducted by an independent commission to remove the bias, subjectivity. So far, we are very happy with the process. Democracy is taking place. We have so far received some of the appeals that have come from the process of primary elections. And within a few days to come, we are going to have the appeals tribunal, which will look at these appeals. In the process of primary elections, we came with some elements who spearheaded violence. I want to warn those of the elements that justice will be done.